Hey Motorman, here with yet another U-turn tip. I still get people asking about U-turns, how to make it the easy way. What we have here is 27 feet. That's huge because the bike turns in less than 18 feet. And that's marked off with these big cones. You notice there's one cone sticking out about 3 feet from the others. I'm going to use that as a dipping cone. This dipping motion gives the bike a little bit of momentum. It already gets the motorcycle in the proper configuration to make this U-turn. So you got to make that dip kind of serious. It's not a slow thing. I'm not going to steer towards it. I'm going to make an actual dip. And of course, I don't need the entire 27 feet. The bike turns in less than 18 feet. I'm going to do it one more time. Here it is, the U-turn with the dip. There's my dipping cone. Dip around it, right to the green cone, turn my head and eyes. Bike easily makes it. If you enjoy these tips that we do just about every week, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll send them out to you every week. You can click that little bell so you'll be notified when I put up a new tip. And don't forget, we've got the Ride Like a Pro video still on sale for 20 bucks, the best 20 bucks you'll ever spend in your entire life on your motorcycle. I guarantee it. Until next week.